Ever wonder how AI is getting smarter without just memorizing answers? Let's break down some mind-blowing new tricks that are making artificial intelligence think in ways we've never seen before. Imagine a robot not just reciting facts, but actually reasoning through problems, like a human would. That's the idea behind Tree of Thought, where AI explores multiple solutions at once, like brainstorming different paths to solve a puzzle. It's not just picking the first answer it sees. It's weighing options, checking logic, and even revising its own steps. Cool, right? But here's the thing, thinking takes time. Enter TokenSkip, a technique that lets AI skip over unnecessary steps in its reasoning, like fast-forwarding through the boring parts of a video. It's all about efficiency, without sacrificing accuracy. Think of it as AI's version of multitasking, but way more precise. And then there's LLM-Pruner, which is basically a digital detox for giant AI models. These models are like super powerful computers with massive data diets, but they're often overkill for simple tasks. LLM-Pruner trims them down, cutting the fat without losing the muscle. It's like turning a tank into a sleek sports car, faster, cleaner, and still super strong. Now, here's what's really exciting. These innovations are pushing AI closer to something we've only seen in sci-fi. We're not there yet, but imagine an AI that can fact-check itself, spot its own mistakes, and adapt on the fly. As one study put it, LLMs can't find errors on their own, but they can fix them if guided. It's like teaching a kid to tie their shoes. They need a little help, but the potential is huge. Of course, we're still far from true artificial intelligence in the human sense. But the progress, it's dazzling. And here's the kicker. The future of AI isn't just about making machines smarter, it's about how we choose to work with them. So what do you think? Should we let AI think for itself, or will we always need to keep an eye on its work? Drop your thoughts below, let's keep the conversation going. And if you want more deep dives into how AI is evolving, hit that subscribe button. Until next time, stay curious.